A parrot in the cage. I bought a parrot in a cage. Seeing the bird in the cage, I was in a fit of rage. I took the cage aside and then put my hand inside. I wanted to free the bird, but it got very scared. It cuddled deep inside the cage, shrieking at the top of its voice. Here I was trying to free it, but the parrot made such a noise. And a thought occurred to me, that leaving worldly attachments is not easy. The cage was a prison, and yet the bird bit my hand twice. The soul also does not want to leave the body if it has a choice. But if you trust the hand that liberates you, then death would be celebrated as a birth new. A single experience can make you a sage. The soul is just a parrot in the cage.